breaks wide, no regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes.
Is this mic working? Is this mic working? Well, let me double check and see if it's working here. All right. Can everybody hear me? Good stuff. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Wow, it's been a long time. Great to see y'all back again. Yo. All right, let's get back into the trading mode here. Wow. That's all I can say right now, everybody. Mr. 44 Punisher in the house. Alex Berlin, Sean Hazel, and then Sean Hazel again. How long is this gonna go? Sean Hazel again. 44 Punisher in the house. PG, Kyle M. McGill, Eric Harris. What is up? Adrianello, Tiger, I need your help. It's emergency. What is emergency? It's the New Year Eve. Let's have some fun here. Eric Harris, good to see you back again. Somebody banned from your Discord, but nobody knows why. Well, we'll find out why and how, and see how we can get it back again. It's all good, brother. It's all good, man. Let's all relax. Try to have some fun here today. I don't really expect this market to be volatile, right? I kind of feels like a little slow day, if you will. We are kind of like, you know, I think this is the moment where we have to be careful. I kind of got wrecked last Friday, trading on my phone. Plus, on top of that, I was trying to play a GC. I'll quickly go over my GC trade. Everybody talking about how great they are trading GC. I'm like, okay, well, if everybody's gonna be so great at trading GC, I think I could try to do that. I think I could try to do the same thing. And guess what? It did not really take me too long to get smoked trading GC. I'll get it fixed, Adrianello. I don't know what happened. All of a sudden you've been. Yeah, I'll take a look, man. I'll take a look, brother. I mean, I thank you for being there. My apologies. I don't know what happened, to be honest. But we'll find out. We'll check and we'll get it fixed, brother. This is supposed to be Santa Rally week. All right, guys, we are back here again. We've got a few more minutes to go. I am not, by the way, I'm not in front of my desk, so my charts may look a little wonky, but not getting smoked in these 3 days. Yeah, I don't know. I've got to take a I'm a bit off right now because I did not, you know, as soon as I got racked on my one of my funded account last week on Friday trading GC, I'm like, you know, I shut everything off and I just walked away. Completely forgot about trading for the last few days. We're back here again on Sunday night. We'll try to see if we can actually get something out of this today. We'll see, guys. MNQ here. Let's try to see if we can actually bank together here tonight. Let's have some fun. We got our Apex account giveaway happening tonight, so do not forget to smack the like, guys, and do not forget to type in exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate on our beautiful giveaway here today. Can we keep these tunes, please? What does that mean? What does that mean? Guys, you gotta explain a little more than that. Let's go. Yeah, baby. Let's go, baby. All right, fellow traders, we are back here. We are here. Let's try to bank. All right, we'll start in 2 minutes, guys. We'll start in 2 minutes. Everybody, thank you guys for being here. I'm trying to take a look at chart, but still a very mixed. From a technical standpoint, not bullish, not bearish. I come in very, very neutral here today. We'll try to see if you can actually play the chop here today. Yeah, I'm not in Canada right now. Amigo, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, everybody? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, everybody. Me hablo español. Sí, we know. Sí. All right, guys, let's have some fun. Let's not worry too much about. We are going to be banking a lot of profits here today. I'm not really expecting much, but let's try to have some fun. It's gonna be a quick. It's gonna be a quick streaming here today because I've got some other stuff going on as well at the same time. So at least for the next few days, it's gonna be a quick stream, if you will. But great to see you guys back again. Wow, kind of feel like it's been a long day. All right, we still have a few more days to go, I guess, but for the year to be over. Yeah, my stream is gonna be much shorter than usual. It's gonna be like this for a little while. My apologies, and thank you guys for your understanding. For now, guys, let's get back into a trading mode again. All right, let's go, guys. Exclamation tiger. Oh my god, my mouse is not working too. All right, fellow traders, we are back again. All right.
wild, market alive, crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the code.
All right, fellow traders, we are back again. Yo, everyone, StockTiger coming to you here tonight. A beautiful Sunday night, guys. All right, fellow traders, we are back again. Let's try to bank something, because I've been away for a few days now. Last Friday, I really tried to get something out of this market, I'll be honest. But I needed something really quick. And I thought GC gold could be something that's gonna help me out. And then I'm getting smoked trading gold. Oh my god. Everybody's saying gold is great, silver is great, and everything's kicking ass. I'm like, you know what? Let me try to trade gold. And you know, guess what happened? StockTiger. Anyways, guys, we're back here again. A beautiful Sunday night. Let's take a look and see what this market's gonna do here, guys. We found it very difficult to crack above this 940, right? So the market really found it hard to crack above the 935 ish area. Right, we kind of got a pullback right after that rejection of the level. And yeah, so I kind of feel like, you know, we've got some ways to go here. Maybe a pullback into the 930s and maybe try to get a bounce off that level. We are gonna have to kind of wait and see. I like to kind of play the range, to be honest, within that in the low 930s and then the high 870s, right? So I'm gonna be playing that range, right? So that was that Friday low at 830, of course. And then what was that Friday low? Yeah, that was a Friday low, 830. And then we obviously we got an EMA here at 870. So 870 and 830 would be the range I'll be kind of playing until we kind of break to either side. Okay, so we're gonna have to all right, so I'm gonna be using that as a gate as an area of support and resistance that I'm gonna be watching for this market. 870 and then the 832. So I've got a 300 tick chart. I don't know how I got into 300 tick chart. Hold on one second. I may have to change that to 200 now. All right. Over here, 200 tick chart. 870 and 830 for now, right? We'll take it. I'm going to be trading micro NQ. All right, guys, we've got 3 more minutes. I trade both. Well, I trade 3. I trade Top Step X. I trade a Trade, and I trade a Quant Tower as well. Quant Tower Rhythmic. Silver. Guys, man, you guys are again talking about silver. Incredible. I'm getting yeah. I'm done trading silver and gold, guys. I'm really done. I can't believe, guys. Only thing I can remember, all the bad trades and all the silly losing trades that I've made so far this year, it's all through gold. Incredible how much everybody makes so much trading gold and silver, and I'm like sitting here watching you guys bank trading gold, which is great. I love it, right? But at the same time, I'm like looking at myself getting smoked trading gold and NQ. Sorry, not NQ, gold and silver. Well, not silver really, because silver I only traded that time during the stream. That's it. So not necessarily I would say silver, but I mean I guess it's the same thing at the end of the day, right? Gold and silver, really. Well, silver. I mean, sorry, not silver. Gold. Incredible, guys. Incredible. Yeah. I just can't seem to get my head wrapped around trading gold. So you know. So yeah. So I'm done with wow. I can't believe I keep saying silver, but I guess I'm done with trading gold. Apparently for now, until something changes. But you know, I would love to bank as much as you guys are. Yeah. All right, guys, we are here. We got 10 more seconds to go. I'm gonna do a lot of chop trades. You know what I mean? Like within this range, assuming that the market is gonna be within this range, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna do a lot of range bound trade today. With an expectation, the market's gotta be within that chop range.
Order filled.
Oh, I mean, we're in that Santa Claus week right now, so I guess I've got to be a little careful. But yeah, I completely forgot that we're in that week. That's the last 5 days of the week. Sorry, the last 5 days of the month, which is obviously now, I think. right? That's now. I completely forgot about that too. We got a Santa Claus 5 days prior to the year end, so we're kind of in that week. So maybe I'm kind of maybe fighting with that a trend, I guess. All right, so here we are, 870. How was everybody's week, guys? How was everybody's week? Guys, it's a little dark here, but apologies, everybody. Yeah. You mentioned it earlier. What did you mention? Sorry, man. I'm my charts are all over the place. Very limited access to different screens. I only have 2 screens right now, so my apologies if I'm not able to read the chat. Tsuname music, it's your mental because you keep talking about the past. Your style of trading not good for gold. Yeah, Bowser. Yeah, it's about it's about time. It's about time StockTiger move away. All right, guys. A bit slow, right? Be slow start. We've been kind of like in that 10-point range. I wonder if I sound the same. I just kind of feel like this mic, there's something's a little off. My mic. Anyways, guys, we are back again. Wow, look how slow this market is. I mean, I guess, we probably have to just take what this market kind of offers to us, right? Maybe this market is not going to truly do anything at this moment. Wow, we're just sitting in that 11 points range, and we've been kind of sitting in that for about 4 minutes. Anybody trading gold? I don't even know why I don't have gold here on this chart, to be honest. Now let me just quickly take a look at the gold. Should like to use researching. That's weird. Let's take a look at the gold here for a moment. But wow, the gold keeps moving. Are we kind of getting a better price action trading gold? I really have to stay away from gold, yeah. But I'll leave my gold chart on the right hand side, so everybody can kind of gauge what this gold is gonna try and do. So we'll see. We'll keep gold on the right hand side, and we'll have NQ on the left hand side, guys. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see y'all again on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Mr. Justin Rod in the house. What is going on? Perfect play in the house as well. Everybody, the Merry Christmas is over, but Happy New Year. Thank you. Waiting to pump. All right, daily day trade. What is up, man? We are getting a little pullback here. I mean, 870, a pullback here down. I don't think they refund. I mean, I don't think, from my understanding. Give it a try, but I think I've heard a lot of traders not getting the refund, unfortunately, man. That really kind of sucks, man. They have all these disclaimers on their checkout. But guys, we're getting a little pullback here. Wow, look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Wow, look at that pullback. That's a pretty nasty pullback there into the 850s. A beautiful Sunday, guys. Thank you everybody for being here. Let's try to have some fun, try to bank some profits here today if we can. We're gonna have to just take whatever this market's gonna offer to us here on a Sunday at night. I do kind of feel like, you know, at least for the next few days into the new year, the market seems to be you know, a little slower than usual, if you will. So kind of expecting a big move in this market, not even just for tonight, but into tomorrow as well. I think that's going to be expecting a bit too much, I guess, right? So let's kind of try to be a little more realistic here and yeah, try to play the chop. Bowser, what does that mean? Your volume is not working. What does that mean, brother? Silver new high. Oh, God, silver. Oh my God, silver, guys, man. Let's take a look at the silver. Just. Oh my mochaccino, man. Incredible. Wow. Everybody killing, trading silver, and I'm here. Dude, not so okay, but look at that silver, man. 82 bucks. 80. I thought we were at 70 something. I should have just swing traded silver last week. You know, just close your eyes, silver. You know, that's what I should have done. Incredible. Instead of trying to trade gold last week on Friday and getting wrecked, I should have just gone long with one micro contract on silver on my top step XFA, which obviously I didn't do that. Instead, I went traded gold and I got smoked. Yeah, I really don't understand why. I don't know. All right, guys, here NQ trying to give us a little pullback here, 870, and then 81.5 on silver. Wow, what an incredible push in silver, guys. We're up 6%. Like, how far are we gonna go? Why was there something, some news that came out in relation to silver? Why are we up so much? 6%. Incredible, guys. How the silver keeps moving, guys. Is anybody trading silver here and constantly banking? All you really had to do was just go long, right? That's all you really had to do. It's incredible how we just keep pushing here on the silver. And it's still moving, by the way. Hey, Dan Evans, what is going on, man? China disallowing silver exports. China disallowing silver exports. Okay, so no export, meaning obviously the demand, there's a demand, but the supply constraints, so the silver goes up. I think China is gonna dump silver, and they're gonna block it, and then they're gonna dump it. Right? Is that what it is? That's incredible. Guys, man, how's everybody doing so far? Is everybody okay? Everybody doing okay this year? I mean, not this year, this December. The market obviously is slow, And I guess, you know, we all are trying to make something out of this market, a slow market, but we gotta lower our expectation, to be honest, man. Right? Let's try to lower our expectation. Let's try not try to be a hero, and just try to play the chop. You know, I understand. Silver could be the way to give us what we need, but silver, I don't know, man. It's really tough. I mean, silver looks pretty good. I see that, but I mean, it's incredible how we are getting that push in silver. Friday close. I don't know what you closed Friday, but I think we kind of closed at 78-ish. Did we? 78 or 79? No, I lied. I think we closed at 76 or something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but I mean, you have a $4.50 move on silver. That's just incredible, man. I have no idea, man. Guys, man, silver is silver. I guess a different animal. Is this the new gold? Is that what it is? People just play what you see, don't speculate. Yeah, good point. But I mean, it's pretty wild to see how, you know, it's like, it's one of those moments. I think we are getting that squeeze, all out squeeze, and then next thing you know, we could see that big nasty pullback. By the time you're like, okay, let's try to go long again, we are going to see that big dump. I don't know how far we're going to go though in silver. We're already at 81 bucks. I mean, how far can we really go? Like, are you serious about this? We're sitting at $81, but let's just move back to the daily chart here for a moment. But look at this, guys. Wow, we're sitting in that $50 just towards the end of November. We are sitting at low 50s, and here we are, guys. $81. If you guys were long on your personal futures account, for example, trading silver with, let's say, one mini silver, I cannot imagine how much this would have been. Yeah, I kind of miss, you know, I kind of feel like I missed the whole move anyways. So it's really pointless for me to kind of think about trying to find a nice little support to go long again. We're so overstretched to the upside, 81 bucks. How far do you think we could actually kind of move in the silver? How far? How far can you guys expect to see this silver go? Silver is a short this week. Oh my god, we got a lot of shorters too now. It's a new Nvidia. Yeah, I mean, every week and every month we gotta find something that's incredible, right? And we gotta find a reason. And we yeah. 866 here on the NQ. Looking for that little pullback down. Wow, it's incredible, guys. Mini SI, yeah, I wouldn't be touching that for sure. Gold is selling off and silver is getting a bounce. Is that what it is? All right, guys, we're getting a little rejection. Yeah, we're getting a pullback in gold. And the NQ trying to get a little pullback here. Hold on 1 second. New PROPFIRM, Tennessee trading. I've never heard of Tennessee. JJ Hyung, why did you short in the open? I did that because I was expecting a chop day, right, within that range I talked about, 870 to 730, right? And we are kind of sitting in that 880 area. So I decided to short that market, right? Yeah, I mean, I would prefer you to stop talking about Tennessee trading. Feels like you're the owner of the Tennessee trading company, trying to promote. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter, but I mean, it just kind of feels that way. Anyways. Yeah, if you're the owner, just let me know. Let's have a little conversation. Yeah, I just don't want to, you know, have a wrong impression to my viewers. That's all. But that's cool. Anyways, guys, wow, is this market actually ever moving? Guys, we get a little bounce on that goal, 45.49. Got a rejection of that 68. Wow, great to see y'all back again, guys. Well, wow, what a beautiful Sunday night. I think we should do 2 Apex account giveaway here, guys. Let's try to do that, everybody. What do you guys think? New Year is about to. We got 2 more days. We got 2 more days for the New Year, guys. Do you think any dump for tax loss? I think the tax loss is already said and done now. I think the tax harvesting is maybe over, in my opinion. What do you guys think? I think that's said and done. You know, it's kind of too late now. Yeah, I think it's kind of over. Do you think I missed the reverse on gold? Yeah. Had to make another YouTube account, but watching for a while. Oh, Jasmine. Yeah, guys, man, no problem. Just be here. Type in !Tiger. We'll do a couple Apex account giveaways here today before I take off. I don't know. I just kind of feel like my mic is not okay. Just kind of feel like that for now. We'll see, guys. We'll see. Mike the Barbarian. Tax loss selling occurs in October and November for hedge funds. Most funds tax year in. Okay, yeah. So I guess it's done now, right? Bro, please don't forget to unban me. I feel empty without the chat. Adrianello, really? I have no idea. I just talked to one of our mods. I think you could talk to Silver, or you could talk to Monica. They will take care of that unbanning. Yeah. Anyways, let's get back to trading mode, guys. This market, I don't know. Let's start to take a look at the silver here. Wow, the silver keeps moving, guys. Silver keeps moving here, guys. What is up with the silver? Silver keeps moving. One second, everybody. Silver moving. All right. All right, so we're getting a little pullback here. 865 here, pull back into. All right. You've got to be kidding. Did somebody actually end up trading silver? Is that right? Guys, man, I don't even know, man. Does Apex allow silver trading? Let me try.
Order rejected.
Yeah, they don't allow silver trading. No, they don't. All right, so they don't allow. I just tried just to kind of give myself a little bit a trial. Yeah, so they don't allow. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here on gold. Sorry, on the NQ. Gold. Did somebody just make $2,000 trading gold? That's incredible, man. That you guys are killing. Somebody told me that's not true. Well, guys, man, it's we gotta believe in what everybody's saying. So we are getting a little pullback in gold. Silver trying to get a, oh man, silver is an absolute monster, everybody. Incredible. Silver is an absolute monster. $82 in silver. SI, oh, really? You can actually trade? That's even worse, man. I better not touch. I really better not touch. What was it again? SI what? SI, and what is it? SI is that 5 or? I'm kind of thinking this could be the one. No, SI G6 maybe. I think SI G6. What? F6? Really? I've been looking at I was. Oh, SI H6. Oh, so I've been looking at the wrong one too. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I don't want to nuke my I don't want to nuke my Apex account. So I really wonder how this is gonna play out if I try to play this. I don't want to mess it up, right? So guys, we're getting a little pullback here. We're getting a little pullback here on NQ.
Order
oh
filled.
My god, you gotta be kidding, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys. I added some position here on the Apex account, trading micro NQ. Sorry, guys. I'm getting a little confused now, but here 851 here. I'm gonna be looking to take some more off the table along the way on a pullback here back into the 840s, guys.
Order filled.
Wow.
Order
All right,
filled.
guys, we're getting a pullback
Order
here.
filled.
We could see this thing pull back into the 830s as well.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm taking some more off the table here along the way.
Order filled.
All right, fellow traders. I've got 7 contracts now. I'm going to be taking
Order
one more
filled.
off the table. Oh, my Mochina, look at that pullback.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I'm down
Order
to 4 now.
filled.
I'm down to 4. Wow, look at that. What a nasty pullback here, guys, on the NQ. That, well, not only down about $16. Incredible. $16, everybody. You pass an account trading silver, really? What, on what? You mean Apex Eval account? Is that what it is? All right, everybody, fellow traders, exclamation tiger to give yourself a chance to participate. Let's try to smack the like, guys. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. If you are new here, we got over 550 viewers. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. A beautiful Sunday afternoon. We are getting a little bounce in this market, guys. I may try to exit my trade here right now, right here. That's not a bad trade. I mean, all right, guys, I exit my trade there. I'm out of my trade at 850. That's a final take profit right there. $250 banked. So I'm gonna move on to something else. All right, guys, we are now trying to get a little bounce. 850. I'm gonna try and look to short again on a bounce. We'll wait, guys. We'll wait. I'm gonna have to stay a little patient on this trade here. Let's take a look and see something going on in the chat. Wow, Ram G made $1,500 down for the day. Incredible, man. You are smoking. Wow, just 8 trading days with $14,000 of profit. Payout request $7,000 tomorrow. Holy frappuccino, man. Look at that, $7,000 payout tomorrow morning. Holy cow, man. Congrats once again, Mr. Christopher. A big shout out to that gentleman. All right, Monica in the house. What is up, Monica? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to be trading a silver or whatever it's called. Silver or Biller or BB or whatever it's called. I don't think so, right? I really have to better stay away from this metal, you know, even though I know it's kind of really exciting to see this thing pump like crazy, but I really have to, right? I really have to, guys. As we are now moving into the new year, I really have to better take care of myself. I really have to show a lot more discipline. I'm just not good at trading silver and gold, unfortunately. You know what I mean? It's like, ugh. Every time I try to trade gold, guess what happens? I don't know. I mean, I know a lot of you guys are banking, but StockTiger here, getting smoked trading gold. I better stay out of it. Unfortunately. Thank you guys for being here. Silver is crazy. Past 5 veils. Wow, in 30 seconds. That's crazy, yeah. But what firm are you trading silver though? What firm are you trading silver? If you guys don't mind me asking. That's a wild. All right, guys, we're getting a little bounce in this NQ. I'm gonna try. Oh man, I kind of feel like I'm. Oh, silver getting. Oh, this is silver. I thought I was looking at the gold chart. I thought I was looking at the gold chart, by the way. I thought Lucid and Take Prop Trader did allow you to trade silver, if I'm not wrong. All right? Oh, was that wrong? I think you guys told me they did allow. Justin Wright, Mr. Justin Wright in the house, man. What is going on, brother? How was your Sunday? How's your business going with your restaurant? I hope everything is great. Wow, man, look at that bounce. You know, I'm like, should I get in? Should I get in long? And it's like, oh, all of a sudden it's already up there now. 870. Great, StockTiger, for missing out on that trade on NQ. Yeah, I missed out. I didn't trade any of my Apex accounts on my Rhythmic on Friday. I completely missed out, and I'm quite honestly, I'm just not interested in trying to force myself into a trade when there's just nothing there, you know. Just nothing there. This market's just obviously last Friday as well. Last Friday, other than the first 30 minutes of the day, the market was kind of really slow, right? So, Silver and Robinhood account. Oh, trading on the Robinhood too. Incredible. You guys are killing.
Order filled.
I don't know, guys. Okay. I thought I was trading the wrong instrument. Here, I'm trading MNQ, micro NQ, guys. I'm gonna try and long here. We just got above all the EMAs, right? So I'm gonna try and see if we can actually get a nice little push back up again here on the NQ. Right, I'm gonna be looking for that bounce back into at least 900, guys. Let's see, guys. We're at 30 points away from where we are now, and we got a big fat bounce off that 840, which I really kind of feel like maybe we have some more juice here to the upside, guys. 1 second. Oh, 877. I'm gonna try and long here.
Order filled.
Oh well. Yeah, I'm gonna try and long here, guys. That's a nice strong bounce that we actually got off the 840. I should have got long a little bit sooner. I'm really late, but and that's why I'm scaling into my trade with micros, right? So here 875. Let's see if we get a little pullback down to the 860s and try to go long from there again. Thank you guys for being here with us every single night. There's a little bit of adjustments to my streaming schedule this week, and maybe into early January as well. So guys, just bear with me and look at my notification as well. We've got Tokyo in about a little less than 30 minutes, guys, right? A little less than 30 minutes. Guys, let's not try to forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream. Take a few seconds of your time to do that. Over 600 viewers with a little less than 150 likes, guys. Show some love, everybody. We really appreciate it. A beautiful Sunday afternoon here, guys. Plus 30 degrees. Yeah, I don't think Take Profit Trader Lucid loves traded silver. I mean, I didn't know until you guys told me. So, not that I would have ever tried trading silver, by the way. But silver, let's take a look at the silver here, guys. Silver. I mean, you guys are killing with silver. Now the silver is kind of like chopping, right? The silver made that big push, right? And the market movers are kind of like, okay, well, we made the move. We'll let the small little retailers kind of walk in and try to play this little chop here, which obviously I'm not one. I wouldn't be trading silver at this point, to be honest, even if I want to, right? We are really in that chop range now. It's gonna be hard to trade silver, but I mean, you guys are obviously way better than I am in trading silver, so I'll leave that in your good hands. And obviously the same thing with the gold. The gold trying to get a little bounce. The gold is chopping too. Wow, what a push on both silver and gold right at the start. And it kind of faded back down, right? Not as much as gold on silver, but still, that's a pretty, you know. Well, I guess it's not as much. Silver, honestly, no pullback at all. It's still higher high at this point, and the gold is higher low. We actually kind of gave back all the gains that we had, right? So that's with the silver. That's with the gold. The silver, man, still seeing a lot of relative strength, right? Lots and lots of relative strength on the silver, which is great. I hope you guys are banking trading silver right now. And the NQ, I went long here right at the 875. It's right at the high, but with an expectation that we will see a little bit more squeeze back into the at least 900 area. I went long, but I'm willing to kind of scale into my long position on a pullback into the 860s. And look for that pushback again, another leg to the upside, right? And maybe try to see if we can actually get something like that and give us that nice little pushback up again. right? This is what I'm gonna be kind of looking for. So we don't dip as much into the 850s, maybe 860s, maybe, and then we get a nice little pop. All right, fellow traders, once again, thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you. Como no como. Gracias, amigos, everybody. Mr. Joe in the house, Mr. Jack in the house, Christopher Wallet in the house, Mr. Henry in the house, Dibe Kuku in the house. Are you in the bar or in the school? I'm somewhere down in the south. Yeah, MVP, Mickey, what is going on, man? Cloud Rack, Arianello, KRV, Henry, Mega, Silver Robinhood account, man, $400 tonight. Nice, man, I like that. Zach T, what is going on, brother? The spread and the mini silver is reaching 8 ticks. This is already $200 the second you enter. So I guess you'll have to place a limit order. Is that what it is? So you place a limit order maybe right underneath where you're really willing to kind of enter, so that way you don't lose that $200 right off the bat. Maybe, I don't know. Tristono, what is going on, man? Everybody, thanks for being here. Gary in the house, man. What up? Yeah, I miss you guys, man. I miss you guys. It almost kind of feels like it's been over a couple weeks now. Wow. One second, everybody. Interesting that take profit trader does not allow micro silver. They don't? Micro silver? Well, I don't know why, but it's obviously up to their discretion. And by the way, how did everybody do on Friday? If you guys don't mind me asking, how was your Friday session? We have Soul Trader. Are you from Korea? Soul Trader. Friday was dead by 1,000 cuts chopped. Yeah, just tell me how did everybody do on Friday? I'll call out your names. Friday was good, Gillen. Nice. Sniper. One second, man. I'm missing out the chat. It was okay. Sniper. All right. Adrianella was up $400. Ended up missing with the gold and ended negative 100. Well, that's fine. Down $100. I only had about 30 minutes to trade on Friday morning, to be honest. I only had 30 minutes to trade, and I was like, I needed something. I needed an instrument that's gonna give me that couple $100 to make in that 30 minutes. And everybody talked about gold. I was like, you know what? I should try to step into gold trade. I went in with 2 or 3 mini contracts looking for that couple $100. And I ended up losing my XFA account. And I was like, as soon as I lost my XFA account, I was like, you know what, this is it. Yeah. And that was it. I shut down and did not trade thereafter. Yeah, I mean, too bad. I mean, we don't really have that sort of an opportunity to kind of try to bank as much as we can in the last week of December, right? You know, the market is going to be slow, of course, because everybody's obviously on a holiday mode. So we're gonna have to lower our expectation, kind of slow down. I did not do that on Friday though. I did not lower my expectation because I was kind of thinking maybe I should try to, you know, try to make something before we get into the weekend mode. And you know, I was being too greedy, I guess, right? You know, you can't be trying to build, you can't be expecting to build profits every single day and night, you know. At some point you gotta give. Orion, what is going on, man? Added one more trading day for max payout on Billionaires. Yeah, that's really what I was kind of thinking, you know, adding one more day, right? One more day to count as a day. And that's the big problem. And that was a big fat mistake that I've done on Friday. One more trading day, right, to count as a day. You know, that's such a bad sort of a mentality. Coming into the day, you're like, okay, well, let me try to trade because I want to count as a day. That's like the worst thing could ever happen. I should have just not traded at all because I was kind of busy too. You blew one of your funded accounts from oh yeah, that's a pretty expensive account. Funded next, Mr. D-Bell Kulu. Yeah, that kind of sucks, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Made $10,000 on Friday. Davik 8806. That's great, man. Passed 150k eval on Friday. Like trading what? 150,000. Sorry, 150k account. Probably trading silver, I guess, right? That's crazy though. Incredible. You hope they accept 148 as a trading day? I don't think so. I don't know which firm you're talking about. If you're talking about Top Step, I don't think they're gonna do that. No. I've been there. I've been there in the past. It doesn't count as a day, unfortunately. You gotta be over. You gotta be over 150. 44 Punisher. You lost your legend. You lost the legend account. Oh, is that a legend account that you won as a giveaway? You try to full port that account. Try to pass in one day. Hey man, it happens, bro. It happens. It's okay. Just one of those moments. It's okay, guys. We all lose accounts. Not a big deal. As long as we get nice little paycheck, payouts consistently. You passed 50k accounts on 24 December. Wow, you sick little trader, Musa. Mr. Musa in the house, man. He killed it. And no Batman, not on a slow Friday. Distant ride. Nice. No worries, something else is cooking. Oh, what else is cooking, Mr. 44 Punisher? I can smell that 20 accounts with the Apex kind of cooking. I think Billionaires will. Oh, it's Billionaires. Yeah, I mean, I think so. Billionaires will accept. It's not a flipping day, so I think it should be fine. All right, guys, let's just take a look at this market, everybody. Do you use fair value gap? I mean, I could. You know, a lot of this ICT terminologies, I you know, I have them in my mind, but I just don't call them out, right? At the end of the day, it's all the same thing. It's like the fair value gaps are obviously, you know, fair value gaps. You know, you get a nice little support area, minor support, major level support, you know, key levels. These are all, you know, they're all kind of related, right? One way or the other. So I just kind of like the calls, the words, the terms that I like to use, but they're really all the same, to be honest. Yeah, exactly, Justin, right? My StockTiger value gap, guys. So ST value gap is kind of showing me in that 860 area. Let's try to see if we get a little bounce of this level now. $1,200 to pass the 150k account. TY Gorton. It's all the same, different name. Exactly, right? Exactly. Street beat. I mean, yeah. It's easier to sell courses if you are kind of a ICT trader, right? It's easier to sell courses. So you see a lot of traders trading ICT. You know, they a lot of them use that to be able to sell courses. But whatever. We'll stick to what I know. StockTiger value gap here, guys. All right, guys, we're kind of chopping in that 875. Not sort of all right. Wow. So NQ not moving. It's pretty interesting how we got a deeper pullback than I was kind of expecting on the goal. Sorry, NQ back into the 843s, and we got a nice little bounce into the 880, and we're kind of chopping this range. The expectation now for me is that we get a bounce. You know what I mean? I kind of feel like, you know, I may be wrong, but I do kind of like to see a bounce into the 890. I would say 890 probably a good place to kind of get a bounce into, and maybe get a little bit of a resistance in the area 890 to 900, right? So I think, yeah, as we're kind of nicely holding this 870. I mean, I would have liked to kind of see this pull back into the 850s, but we're not doing that, right? So let me just get rid of that. I don't even have the keyboard to get rid of this right now. Yeah, I'm very limited, guys. Very limited access to stuff here, the tools and all that. So just, guys, bear with me. The fact that I'm able to live stream here alongside my fellow traders is really all I need for now. Thank you guys for being here today, and let's try to have some more fun. Yeah, I missed you guys, man. Love you, everybody. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah, the stream is not over yet. Yeah, but we are kind of getting pretty close to it, though. We're getting a little pullback here, guys. Back into the 867 in the house. Sorry, guys, I'm just having a little bit of a tough time. Trying to read the chat. Yeah, I mean, I don't even have a mouse pad here. Kind of struggling, everybody. $875. fellow traders. Did you guys bank here today trading silver? Let me know. Yeah, never try to trade when you're kind of busy. Never. Well, I kind of suck at that myself, but I try my level best. Anyways, guys, this market at 870, I don't know if we are going to see any kind of a move here. I may be better off try to trade a gold. Let's try to take a look and see. Well, I'm in a 200 tick chart on trading gold. The gold hitting that support here, guys, 45.50. We are back to where it started here, guys, back to break even on gold. And silver trying to get a little bounce. The gold is kind of looking like it wants to get a little pullback here, guys. Maybe I should try to short gold here. What do you guys see? I kind of feel like, you know, maybe better off try to short gold. Even though the silver looks like it wants to rip your face off, get a bounce. $870 here, guys, on NQ. I'm just kind of like scratching my head right now, kind of going, okay, well, what's where am I better off to put my trades into? Am I supposed to go gold? Yeah, I don't think you can. I don't think you can get into trades with gold and NQ. I just don't want to take my chances. They're trading the funded accounts right now, right? So I don't wanna say, for example, try to short gold and try to short NQ, and then I take one off table. One of the instrument I take, you know, my positions off, and then they're gonna call it a hedging, right? So better stay nice and clean here. Try to trade one instrument at a time. So I'm kind of trying to go, okay, well, what is it going to be? Is it going to be gold or is it going to be NQ? So far, I'm not convinced on any of these. So yeah, I see that. Yeah, I see Apex got 90% off right now. I see that. I saw that on Friday. I did not really get a chance to take a deeper look into that offer, but yeah, they've got a 90% off right now. And thank you guys for using my code as well. I really appreciate it, guys. Truly means the world. Thank you guys once again. Yeah, and that's right. Billanox is still 90% off, 91% off, right? So you're paying $16. And at the same time, the Apex too, you're paying about $17 or something like that. I'm not sure. And then take profit trader obviously is 40% right now, so that's good. Yeah, I didn't even get a chance to see my accounts. Does Billanox ever discount the activation? They honestly don't. You know, I mean, to be very frankly honest with you, if you're a pretty new trader into the PROPFIRM space, you know, I wouldn't mind spending some dollars to kind of get into Billanox eval accounts. You know what I mean? Just to kind of get into the PROPFIRM trading evals, right? But then if you feel very confident, do a little practice using the cheaper accounts and then try to step in with something else. Instead of paying for an activation, you know, you're like, okay, well, I think I'm kind of ready to trade the PROPFIRM accounts and try to get into maybe Lucid, for example, because you're paying about $78 on Lucid accounts, right? The Flex account, you're paying $78, right? On a 50K account. So if you're paying $78 versus how much are you paying for a Billanox activation, 148, right? You're essentially paying half of that price. So with Lucid, you obviously don't have the what do you call this scan? You don't have the there's no activation, number one, but also there's no DLL, right? So there's no a daily loss limit. So you have you know, you have full access to all your drawdown. That's $2,000. So there's no soft breach. So you don't end up losing your account or locking your account halfway through. So guys, we're getting a little pop in this 870. Let's try to see if we get a little bounce back here again. Oh yeah, and Tradify is also good too. But this market, guys, man, I'm trying to see if I can actually get into some trades here. But the gold back down into the nice little support here, 45.50. And the NQ is, well, NQ is kind of sitting in that 870s right now. No intraday trailing drawdowns with Lucid. Yeah, oh yeah, that too. I completely forgot, guys. Sorry. Yeah, so there's no intraday drawdown on Lucid. So you're kind of paying the end of day versus the Bullanox is intraday. But the thing is, though, you have a lot more drawdown on the Bullanox. So you got $2,500 drawdown. And they also, you have an access to trade 7 mini contracts, which obviously I'm pretty sucky at that. The more contracts these firms allow me to trade, the more worse I get. So I kind of like the firms they allow you only with the small little contract size, to be honest. So don't get overly too excited if the firms allow you with a lot of contract size, because at the end of the day, in my opinion, you end up losing that account pretty quickly, right? I think the right size, like contracts, you can kind of use on a 50K account, probably 2 or 3, right? Anything beyond that, I think it's kind of like, you know, it's like, well, you could probably end up making a lot of money too, but you also have a chance of losing that account fairly quickly too. So you gotta be careful, guys. Okay, so here we are, guys. NQ is trying to hold, and the gold trying to get a dump here, guys. Man, we are sitting in that area now, 45.50. If we break underneath that, I think we are capito here all the way down. We could see this thing pull back here, back into the 30s for all you know. So we really have to kind of hold this area now, right? We really got to hold this area. If we can't hold this area, then I think we are in a little trouble, right? But that's a big nasty pullback from all the way into the 80s, right? We just kind of lost that 30 points on gold, so kind of expecting to see a little pullback here down on the gold. I don't know what you guys see, but I'm feeling a little more bearish in gold here, more so than you know, being bullish here. Let's take a look at the silver here for a moment. But the silver, it's kind of hopping and chopping in this range, right in that range, 0.5 to 0.3. We are obviously not even getting a little bit of a bearish move here at all. No, like not even a little bit of a sign of a break in the structure too. So looking a lot more bullish, right? It looks a little different on the gold. It's kind of weird that the gold and the silver both playing it very differently here, guys. Kind of feels like silver is a big manipulative move that's been happening here, not just for today, but obviously for the last couple weeks, right? Just yeah, they're just acting very differently here, guys, gold and the silver. So I'm gonna have to kind of be careful here, guys, trading silver, unless you're trading an eval account. Take a look at the chat here, guys. The legend trading 100K account allows you to trade 14 mini contracts. That's a PROPFIRM. Oh, guys, man, I'm my orders are getting filled here. My orders are getting filled. We got to pull back here into the 850s, and that's kind of a pullback I was looking for, right? So let's try to see if we can get a bit of a bounce back up again from here, guys. I'm gonna drop it down a little bit. Selling gold, buying silver, rotation and supply. Oh, we got Tokyo. I completely forgot we have Tokyo, guys. I keep forgetting that we got Tokyo open at 5. Sorry, not 5. At 7, right? 7 o'clock is Tokyo. I keep forgetting. I don't know why, but 862 here, guys. Let's try to see if we can actually get a little piece of this, get a little bounce of this level now, guys. Let's try to see. I'm actually gonna remove my limit orders that I placed here between 840s and 850s. Let's try to see if we can actually get a bit of a bounce. 850. Wow, look at that push down on the gold, guys. We talked about this level F45. If that breaks, then I think we could see this thing flush down. And we are getting that push down here. While the NQ trying to find a footing here, guys. Let's see, 850s trying to hold. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce back in the NQ.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys, I've added my contracts here on the MNQ. Let's try to see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce. Try to retest the high here at 880.
Order filled.
I'm taking my profits
Order
off table
filled.
along the way, guys. Look at that
Order
push.
filled.
I like it. I like it, guys. Look at that. Holy.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I like that, guys. What a nice little play there, guys. I took a stab at the right perfect time. Holy propo. All right, guys. All right, guys. Oh no! Don't tell me. Maybe I got a little excited too quick here, guys. We're getting a little pullback in now. An NQ. Oh my God! Look at that, guys. I'm back to break even. I should have closed that trade there. On hindsight, of course. That's what it always happens. I've got 10 contracts right now. I've got 10 contracts. I still have 10 contracts here. Let's see if we get a little bit of a bounce back from here. 860 here, guys, man. Let's try to see. Yeah, what a chop here. What a chop, guys. I'm looking for that little bounce. Let's see if we get it, guys. I mean, we're right at that point of control here, guys. 865, of course. Yeah, man, my $150 that I was up, literally back, just giving back everything again to the market, of course. Incredible. Man, I better be careful, guys. This could dump, right? This could really dump pretty hard. So Mr. Shaker in the house, man. Co-op trader, January 1st, I think the silver dumps. Oh, guys, man, I'm just down already. 110 bucks, man. Down 110 bucks. Incredible. I better be yeah, I better be careful, right? I better be careful, guys. Where's my Santa Claus rally, guys? Where's my Santa Claus rally? Are we gonna be getting that now or what? Or are they gonna kind of extend that into tomorrow? Maybe we get it tomorrow morning, not today. Is that what it is? Are you crazy, silly market? I'm gonna get mad at you. Don't play dirty with StockTiger here on a beautiful Sunday night. Don't play dirty. Don't play dirty. I told you this again. I'll give you a little warning here, market. Strong dump expected and cute. Oh my God. We've got Monica in the house calling out a dump on NQ. I better be careful now, guys. I better run away with some little profit if I can get. All right, here 865. Get a nice little bounce on the gold while we are getting a rejection of the NQ here, guys. Maybe that dump pitch on NQ could be real. I'm down $100, man. That's incredible. Oh yeah, man. That's not looking good, guys. 861 here. That's where we are kind of pulling back into. I will exit, of course. I mean, I'm gonna have to kind of exit my trade at 850s. If we get a pullback deeper, a pullback into that level, I'm gonna have to exit my trade. Kind of sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. We are getting a nice little bounce, man, in gold, and here I am, kind of got stuck in this NQ trade. Incredible. StockTiger in trouble here, guys. Can somebody push this market back up again? Holy, Kelly Kaufman in the house, my goodie. My bro in the house, man. Kelly Kaufman, Meta Futures. I'm kind of running out of juice, guys. No ammunition to move this market back up again. I thought I was the market mover during the Asian market. Maybe not. Alright, guys. Let's see if we get a little bounce. Was that to kind of shake me out? But then, of course, you can't be doing that to StockTiger during the Globex ASIA. Well, it's not Globex now. Alright, guys. See, get a little bounce. 868. Come on, man. Just give me that little bounce. Let's go. Wow, how hard can this be? Can't even get a bounce. We are chopping like crazy. I'm telling you right now, if I exit my trade right here because I'm kind of a little nervous, I'm telling you this is gonna get a bounce back into the 880s. So I'm gonna stay put. I may try to maybe place a hard stop here, guys. What do you think? I'll place a hard stop here, 850. Yeah, my hard stop here, 880. Sorry, 850. I'm gonna get cookie. I'm gonna get chopped here, guys. I'm gonna have to take some profits off the table, man. Holy man, look at that. It's not even getting a little bounce anymore.
Order filled.
You've got to be kidding, guys. All right, guys. Let's see if we get a little bit of a pierce through this resistance level, minor resistance to 870s. Try to see if we get a little bounce back higher again. Try to retest the high at 880, guys. Tone says, Tiger, you sound like a radio sound voice in the army. Which army? Division 77 artillery. Salute, sir. Sir, I'm right at your service. You are fired because you did not exit your trade. You did not respect your stop loss. You didn't have a hard stop either. You are fired. All right, guys. I need that little bounce back. Come on, let's go, man. Give me that little love that I need. Give me that little bit of love that I need, guys. A new year. We're not even in 2026 now.
Order filled.
Show me some
Order
love.
filled.
All right, fellow traders, we are back here again. We're back trying to attack the market, guys. Let's try to bank some profits here. Let's try to see if I can make some good trades. Mr. Tonic Flop, what is up, man? Adrianello, good. You long gold at 45.
Order filled.
Oh dear. Tiger, how are you trading this chop? Guitar guy, how are you trading this chop? Trade like a soldier, brother. Trade like a soldier. That's all you got to do. We are soldiers. Trade like a sniper. With K17. All right, fellow traders. 868. Holy man. I need some little bounce. I need some love here. Let's try to see if we can get a little bit of a squeeze. Back into the 880. All right. Let's go, everybody. Let's go. Let's try to kick ass the market here today. Let's smoke it, guys. Let's finish this off. Copy trading though, I can't be copy trading any of my accounts, man. Yeah, it's been a long time. I haven't copy traded. It's what, 14 months now. Yeah, we all have a little bit of a fear of losing out, right? Fear fear of losing out and fear of losing trade. And last Friday, on Friday, I had 30 minutes to trade in the morning, and of course, I got into a little bit of a FOMO, where everybody talking about how they're trading gold and banking, and I'm like, you know what? I only have 30 minutes to trade in the morning. Let's try to see if I can actually capitalize on the move on gold. And soon as StockTiger tried to go long, sorry, I tried to short the gold actually. I think I tried to short. Guess what happened? Yeah, I got absolutely smoked trading gold, and I was like, you know what? And I said, okay, well, I'm never ever gonna trade gold ever again, guys. And that was it. I will take a look at the gold chart, to be honest, but I think I should really stop, man. You know, I think obviously you have highlights of 2025 and you have lowlights of 2025. And one of the keywords I can think about right now in the lowlights is gold. Or metals, right? Gold in particular, I think. And that's my lowlights for 2025, which is kind of stupid because I should have never got into gold trade. And I've been saying over and over again that I will not be trading gold, right? And I've been saying this, and well, by the way, don't get me wrong. I mean, I traded a lot less, but every time I got into a gold trade, I got nuked. You know what I mean? And that's the problem. Guys, by the way, man, what the heck is this market trying to do now? Get a little pullback here, because I'm gonna exit this trade here while I'm actually in green. Wow, man, I made $6. Incredible, StockTiger. And by the way, guys, if you are new to the stream, I go live every day during Globex Asia, right? At and what again? At 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. 5:30 Eastern time is when I go live every day, Globex Asia. And then I also go live in the mornings too, twice a week, minimum, at about 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. But a little bit of adjustments in my schedule this week and next week as well. So just bear with me, guys. I will be kind of on and off, adjusting schedules, obviously, because I'm at a different time zone right here. So just bear with me. A little bit of changes will be required here. Yeah, I mean, my low lights are gold, to be honest. I just kind of feel like I wasted too much time on well, not that I've spent too much time on gold, but I mean, you know, buying and selling gold was definitely not something that I should have done, unfortunately, unless I'm kind of prepared and kind of better at it, you know, like the way you guys are. You guys are all like, I think many of you guys, probably the majority of you guys are probably doing a lot better than I am in gold, and it really kind of feels bad, but you know, it is what it is, right? I think I've done really good job trading NQ, to be honest. I think this year, yeah, I've done really good job. Yeah. I don't really have too much conviction or too much confidence in trying to get back into gold trade in 2026, to be honest. That's not part of my initiative. That's definitely not in the cards. Yeah, definitely not in my card. Yeah, I just kind of feel like I will continue to navigate through trying to get better at trading gold, and I think it's only going to get worse at some point. Maybe out of 10 trades, maybe I may win 8 going forward into 2026, but the other 2 trades that I'm going to lose are going to probably take all the profits away, right? So that's why I'm like, you know what, I just kind of feel like it's not worth it. We get a little pullback here, guys. 850 pulling back here, guys, on NQ, and while the gold is trying to hold, guys. Pretty interesting price action that we are kind of witnessing right now. So 850 here. All right, fellow traders, 850. 855 here. So let's try to see. I'm looking for that little bounce. $850.
Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I'm along with 4 contracts. I'm looking for that little bit of a bounce. Four, 5. Probably end up taking one more off the table. Once again, I'm just trying to see. Take 5. 850, my exit on that trade. Take a look at the chat. KSBDD. What's your overall payout since you started? Holy cow, man. How much are you a nerd? One second, guys. I need this bounce. No, you don't have to. Sorry, that's okay. I what to 90,000? I think that was my first year. That's at 2024. That's 90K, and then we had. I think this year we're kind of sitting in that 220, probably in that 250K in that range. So do the math. 250 plus 90. That would be I don't know. 250 plus 90. Is it 340? Yeah, probably sitting in that 340. That's right, yeah. All right, guys, I need a bounce, man. I need a bounce here. Oh man, nasty pullback here in gold, man. Just literally gave dump 0.5%. Incredible. Oh. Man, we were talking about should I enter gold or well, maybe it's a good thing I didn't enter gold, even though I kind of missed that trade. Yeah, missed that trade. Oh, look at the dump, man. Oh my god, damn. You've got to. Oh my god, look at. What, guys? Holy mochaccino, man! Forget about
order filled.
Wow, guys, man! Nobody told you about this silver, man. What the fuck? You've got to be flipping, guys! Oh my god! You got to be kidding, guys! Is that real? Is that dumpage real on silver? We just kind of gave back $4. That's $4. We just gotta give back in the wow, that's sick, man. I don't even know what to tell you. Oh my mochaccino, look at that, guys. I can, well, can I trade this or what? Actually, no, I don't want to be trading this, man. I will be nuked on this. I don't want to, oh shoot, guys. I swear to God, man, I missed that whole book. Oh my God, I can't believe that, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, guys,
Order
I'm long
filled.
NQ. Forget about silver. I've got silver on the right hand side here. I'm kind of taking a look at that, but we'll trade the silver, guys. Am I gonna get nuked on this NQ2 while the silver is kind of getting a nice little dump here? I missed the whole move on the silver to start. This is crazy, man. This is crazy, guys. This is incredibly crazy. Look at this gold. Wow, something's going on right now, guys. Well, I'm thinking. Well, I'm seeing the gold right now, guys. Man, look at that gold dumpage. Are you kidding me right here? I may have. I don't want to mess up on this gold trade. Wow, this dumpage is unreal, guys, man. This is incredible, everybody. Shit, man. I'm so tempted, guys. Guys, nobody talk about gold and silver now anymore, please. I'm getting so tempted to trade this. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. I've gotta go in about 15 more minutes, somewhere on there. And incredible price action here, guys. We are seeing a little bit of a footing here on NQ, but this gold, man, gold really kind of feels like we could see a bigger push. I don't know which direction. I kind of feel like leaning more down, but may get a little bounce in the gold before we get a pullback. It's incredible, guys, man. Did anybody actually catch that short trade on gold? That's sick, man. That's pretty crazy, guys. Did anybody catch that move to the downside? Oh my God, I'm down 90 bucks. I mean, I missed that whole move on the gold and silver, and here I am trading NQ and down 90 bucks. Congratulations. Congratulations. StockTiger banking. That's incredible, everybody. Wow. What a nasty pullback here on silver, on gold, and NQ not doing anything there, and StockTiger in the wrong trade. But like I said again, I really do not want to get into metal trades, to be honest. You just have to lower your size trading doing Globex Asia, and pretty much the entire duration of the Asia session. Just lower your size. You know, once you lower your size, you're gonna kind of adapt to how the price action actually moves, right? I'm a little more aggressive per se, and that's why you know, sometimes I kind of get stuck in my trades. But usually when you're in 1 or 2 or 3 micros, you're kind of okay. You know what I mean? That's what you have to do. Kind of really lower your size trading Asia, right? Including pre-market session too, and that of course London too.
Order filled.
Right, guys, I'm down to 9 now. I'm pulling profits along the way here on that bounce. If we get, I'm looking for that little bit of a a bounce back into the 875. Great to see y'all back again here. Globex Asia, guys, thank you for being here on a beautiful Sunday afternoon. Lots of viewers, guys. Over 650 viewers right now. Well, not an issue, just, you know, a very casual 180 likes, which is fine. You know, which is fine. If you guys want to show some love, I'll really appreciate it too. And we are going to, yeah, I'm definitely going to do one way or the other. I'm going to do our Apex account giveaway here before I head out. I will definitely have to do that for sure. It does not matter. We will do it. Yeah. Man, but what a move on that silver and gold, guys. That's an incredible dumpage on silver. I wish I was part of that process, to be honest. And I'm really hopeful that some of you guys actually caught that move to the downside. I completely missed that, unfortunately. I completely missed that, guys. Which do I regret? No, I don't. But it could have been a good trade. And I hope some of you actually got it. Did anybody catch that move to the downside on silver? Guys, we are constantly getting that dumpage, guys. This could be... Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. I'm telling you, wow, look at that dumpage, guys. This is an unbelievable push down. This is crazy, guys. This is absolutely crazy. Yeah, this is worse than a toilet flush for sure. Incredible. 7 points. 7% pullback here, guys. $6. We have a pretty I don't know how to call it. Santa Claus rally. I think the Santa does not like the metals. I think that's what it is. That's all I can say. That's incredible. I would not want to be trading gold and silver at this point, to be honest, man. But we could see a little bit of a bounce. But look at this, man. There's absolutely no buying pressure, right? No bid at all. No bid. Just selling. That's all you're getting right now. The sellers are just selling with no buyers kind of stepping into the gold and silver. Silver is even worse, guys. Silver is an absolute dumpster right now. $76 right now, guys. $76. We are down about $6 right here, and that's about 7.5% down. Well, I think Santa is a little bit upset with that explosive move, right, to the upside. I think this is just coming back to earth. We are getting that constant pullback here, guys. You know, I better put my hard stop here on my with my NQ just in case, man. Something kind of smells right now. Something smells really dirty. I don't know what it is, but there's something going on, right? I mean, you wouldn't see this kind of a pull. This is literally pulling back how many points? Let's take a look at the silver, gold. Yeah, look at this gold, man. It just keeps going down. I need some water, man. I just gotta do a little bit of a digestion move here with this market.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Holy mochaccino, everybody. This is what it's supposed to be. StockTiger has to be away, right? That's when you get a bounce. So every time StockTiger is away, you get a bounce, right? Let me try to walk away a little bit. One more. I'll be right back in 20 seconds. I want to see what this market does. All right, there we go. It was nice and easy. All I really had to do was kind of walk away for a few seconds to see a nice little pumpy in this NQ.
Order
That's really
filled.
all I had to do, guys. Just walk away. Look at the bounce in this market, guys. I'm up. Wow. Incredible. $880 here. All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right now. Well, we kind of hit that 880. That's a nice little bounce, right? But we're kind of let me just try to hold this, guys. Let's try to hold this. We get a little bit of a bounce. Oh, I completely forgot to take my stop away. Yeah. All right, let me take one more off the table right here.
Order
Down
filled.
to one, down to two. Did anybody? Yeah, everybody do great today. I heard something about Zelensky, but not sure really. We're getting a lot of mixed news. Wow, man, I can't believe you guys are passing an eval, like 150k accounts just in silver. You guys are crazy, man. Maybe I should be trading silver on my evals. What evals is gotta be? Yeah, what a wild day, guys. What a wild day. Once again, man. Wow, silver is just smoking, guys. Silver is smoking, guys. I hope you guys are banking. Honestly, I did not capitalize on any of this move on silver, but I will be happy if you guys banked, guys. If you guys take advantage of this move in silver, I would be completely happy. I'll be okay. You know, I mean, I'm okay. I mean, I've already decided to not make any profits. You know, I mean, not make any profits. I mean by I meant, in a way, I'm okay to not make any profit between now through the end of the year because I know the market is going to be really slow. But I mean, I'd love to see you guys bank on that silver and gold. Look at the silver and gold dumping pretty hard, so. Oh, cash account? That's crazy, man. On a cash account? You own your, $300,000 cash account? Doing what? Equity trading or futures trading on your live account? That's a lot of futures trading on a 300k account. That's pretty significant. I hope you do well. I mean, yeah. I mean, I wouldn't want to. Wow, that's crazy. Flip Mod Trader, are you in a cafe shop trading now? Something pretty close, I think, in my opinion. That's how normal people trade with real cash amounts. Stock market should rally with gold sell off. It's, I don't know. I honestly, it's hard to say. We're kind of like a little early, right, in a day, so we're really gonna have to wait and see. But it's a pretty crazy dumpster that we are getting right now, right? So it's you know, this is a perfect time to kind of get full-blown accounts trading gold and silver, to be honest. This is a great time to blow accounts, I think, in my opinion. All right, so we get a little pullback here on the NQ. I will just exit this trade right here. Actually, you know what? I will add some more. I don't know, man. It's too choppy, to be honest. But again, we are still above all the EMAs. So all right, I'd like to see a little bit of a bounce though in this. Try to get above. You know, I do kind of feel like, you know, we have a little more bounce. Then a pullback on NQ. Listen, being a member, I mean, it's just supporting the stream, brother. It's not really, I don't really have something truly that's you know, it's pretty much supporting the stream. So if you want to support the stream, you're most welcome to do that, and I really appreciate it. It truly means the world. If not, then that's fine, you know. You being here itself is a support itself, right? So what are thoughts on the BTC? I did not take a look at the BTC, guys. BTC kind of holding, right? So we've been chopping this range for the longest time now. Since early December, we've been kind of holding. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did call out saying I do even though we get a bounce in NQ, maybe the bottom is not in yet on the Bitcoin. But again, it's hard to say. We only have like 3-4 more days to go for the year to be over, and so far it doesn't really look like the NQ is gonna and we'll have to kind of wait to see tomorrow, right? And because a lot of things can actually change between now through the morning, right? We still have like 12 more hours to go for the cash to open, so a lot of things can happen between now through the morning, right? We got a lot of you know, news that may come out from Venezuela, from China, all the way into the Middle East. So a lot of things can happen, a lot of things can change. So we are kind of expecting that oh, okay, well, we got a nasty pullback here in silver and gold now, so we're gonna continue pulling back all the way back down, which we could potentially do that, but anything can happen, you know what I mean? We could literally just get a bounce or just chop around in this range for the longest time into the morning. So a lot of things can change. I am still long here, guys, with 2 micro contracts on the NQ, micro NQ. And then I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a breakout, if you will, from that 882, and try to see if we get a little bit of a bounce back into the 900 area, guys. That is a huge dump, man. It's a wild night for sure. Yeah, Adam B in the house, man. What is going on, brother? Great to see you here in the house. How much is delayed on YouTube stream? I don't know, maybe a couple seconds, maybe. We're getting a lot of great questions here today. Holy mochaccino. All right, so 872 here, guys. Yeah, I think it's probably 10 seconds, maybe around 5 seconds. Yeah, 5 to 10 seconds, I would say. What do you guys actually feel a little bit longer? Edgar, you got any Apex pending? No, I had one pending. I think it was on Friday. Actually, not on Friday, on Thursday. And then I got a beautiful rejection on my email. Right, I got a big fat email saying you got denied. But that was it. I don't really have anything pending, to be honest. But I've got a lot of accounts kind of getting into that payout mode. So I'm going to have to kind of trade maybe a few more days to get into a lot of payouts on Apex. We'll see. I did not really track any of my payouts, what I kind of feel like, what accounts are going to be into the payout mode in the next few days. I did not track that, so I'm going to have to take a look in the next few days and see what are the accounts that I will be able to get some more payouts. So I'm going to have to, revisit this. For now, my goal is to kind of like try to close the year and just walk away. And if I'm not able to trade my accounts, the count as a day, then, you know, it is what it is. You know, this is what we're getting in this market right now. Just, I understand the gold and the silver is kind of moving pretty hard. And I see that, but I'm not trading gold or silver, right? So, just trading the NQ, it's, you know, that's only so much you can kind of expect to see this NQ move between now through the end of the year. So I'll be okay if I'm kind of like holding off my trading, which is okay with me. I don't remember why I got rejected, to be honest. I think it's probably because of it's either one of the two. It's either your consistency rule, or what do you call this? MAE. I don't know what that stands for. It's that if you get over 5 contracts before getting above the buffer, that gets denied too. So. I think it was legit break on that rule on Apex. Of course, the Apex payout on the first payout. Of course, of course. Yeah, I mean, getting denied, it's we're kind of used to it now, right? It's like an everyday thing for StockTiger, so it's okay. You just have to trade for 8 more days, that's it. So it's good and bad, you know. Some traders don't like that denials, you know. I mean, but just keep in mind, Apex does pay, right? You just have to get, you know. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to say. I don't want to try to convince. You know, I'm not willing to try to convince my fellow traders to let them know that Apex is a great firm, right? Everybody has different experiences, right? So some really don't like Apex, you know. Some do. So we just have to kind of trade the firms that we like, and you gotta really personally like that too, you know. So
order filled.
Yeah, so that's maximum advertised excursion or contract. Guys, we're getting a little bounce in this market, guys. I'm gonna exit my trade right here. Guys, man, nice little push here, momentum push back higher right now. I kind of like it. So I'm gonna exit my trade right here, guys. We'll exit that
Order
trade.
filled.
And oh yeah, so that's right, yeah. Maximum adverse excursion. So they don't deny, obviously, for no reason. There's gotta be something that you have not done right, so, which is cool, fine by me. We just keep trading. I don't know, you know, I mean, honestly, I kind of feel like Apex has the most complicated rules, right? Compared to other firms. But I think, I don't know, you just, I don't know, it's hard to say, but I mean, it feels like they've got the most complicated rules ever. But a lot of traders, when they're trading Apex, they get more payouts, right? And of course, they got the biggest payouts too, compared to a lot of other firms combined. So yeah, I mean, if you're too good, guys, right? So that's the thing. Willie, see you got banned with Apex. Try to send an email to Apex, right? You know, try to send an email and try to have a little conversation. Look, they have to deny you first before they have to deny you first, and then trade it for the next 8 days to get approved, right? And of course, that's assuming that you don't go against the rules. All right, guys. You guys, man, forget about Apex for now, man. Holy mochaccino, look at that. Let's talk about the market now. The market's dumping. Holy. All right, fellow traders, I'm gonna close the entries now, so you guys can go ahead and type in exclamation tiger right here, right now. I'm gonna give you 1 more minute, everybody. And guys, by the way, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the stream, show some love, right? And let's get this going here, guys. Everybody, thank you guys once again for being here today. We are pretty close. Few more days to go for the new year, guys. Let's try to be patient, you know. And I think the goal right now is to really try to not get knocked out on your accounts, right? That's the whole purpose and the whole goal here. Moving into the new year, we got a few more days to go, so let's try to be a lot more patient in our trades. Stick to the game plan and try to not get nuked, just like the way StockTiger did on Friday. My goal, I only have 2 goals for 2026, is to really try to be a better streamer, bring a lot more you know, better streaming experience for my viewers, and number 2 is obviously try to be a better consistent trader, right? And that's the 2 goals I have for 2026 really. And then try to revisit, right, and see what happens. It's longest to go. We got another 12 more months, right? Complete 12 more months, guys. Let's try to stay all right, 881. All right, guys, 1 more minute. I am going to close the entries, so we can go ahead and do our giveaways, guys. I will be back at my desk in about in about a couple of weeks. All right, guys. I think it's that time of the day. All right, good. I took my profits off the table on the freaking trade. That would have been a pretty nasty a pullback for StockTiger here. It's weird, guys. This price action is just not looking. It's not clean. It's not a clean price action. So far, it kind of feels like a higher low on the NQ, but we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. Silver, go silver. All right, guys, fellow traders, we are back here again. All right, let's go, guys. I'm gonna close the entries. Good luck, everybody. I'm gonna pick the winner, guys. The winner has to DM me on Discord. Okay, DM me on Discord. I may be able. I may be away, so just DM me and I'll take care of your price. And also gonna give you 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us, right? So. Thank you guys once again for being here every day. You guys know, if you're new here, I go live every Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, and I also go live in the morning to New York, twice a week minimum at 10:30 a.m. in the morning, right? So if you guys will always want to get notified every time we go live, just make sure to hit that notification bell as well. And if you guys want to show some love, smack the like, guys, tonight, right here, right now. Thank you once again, and we are just about to call out the winner. All right, we're getting a little bounce. All right, good luck, guys. Let's go, everybody. Pick the winner now. Let's go. Mr. Futures Trader, which is Futures Trader 5522. You've got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us now. I'm gonna put a timer right here. One minute starts. All right, Futures Trader, you've got to let me know that you are here in about less than 1 minute. I've already assigned the timer. Maybe Futures Trader put in a little code. Winning code. Winning code. All right, the gold not doing anything here. Sorry, that's silver I was looking at. Silver and gold both are kind of like chopping in the range. And really a nice little hold on NQ. I like to see kind of like a nice little bounce off that support area. $8.85. All right, time is up. Is Futures here? He's not here, guys. He's not here. The time is up. And Mr. Futures Trader is no longer here with us. Dismiss. Say goodbye. Oh, too bad he's not here, guys. I am going to get rid of this. We're gonna have to do it again, guys. Everybody, good luck once again. You want to? Okay, I'm gonna resume the entries. I'm gonna give you guys 30 seconds to enter whatever you guys need to give yourself a chance to participate, guys. All right, I'm gonna give you 20 seconds before I go ahead and call a winning number again. So we get a nice little bounce in the NQ. Let's try to see if we get a little bounce. Thank you guys once again for being here with us. Thank you for smacking like as well, everybody. Truly means the world. Fellow traders, thank you so much for showing so much love here every day. I am going to close the entries, guys. Let's go ahead and close the entries and call the winner again. That's it. Close the entries. Good luck, everybody. I'm picking the winner now. You got 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Mr. Corey, Mr. Corey Crouch. Oh, Mr. Corey Crouch. Mr. Corey Crouchfield. Hasline, are you here? 1 minute to confirm, guys. 1 minute. The clock starts now. 1 minute, guys. Mr. Corey Crutchfield. What a beautiful name there. AT27. Mr. Corey Crutch. 40 more seconds, guys. Mr. Corey Crutch is not here. Incredible. Incredible. We got over 600 viewers. And yet Mr. Corey is not here. That's incredible. Guys, man, what a bounce in this market so far. Right? So we get a nice little bounce. Wow, look at this bounce, guys. Oh my god. NQ is moving, guys. We are seeing some nice little push. We got 12 more seconds to go for Mr. Corey Crutch to confirm that you are here with us. We got 30 points bounce on NQ, by the way. That's incredible. Incredible. I need a little pullback here before. Oh, the time is up, everybody, my fellow traders. All right. All right, Mr. Corey Crutch is not here. All right, I'm gonna call the new winner now, guys. Good luck, everybody. Mr. Eric Karras. Mr. Eric Karras. Mr. Eric Karras. You have 1 minute to confirm. And we're gonna move on to the next if you're not here. Mr. Eric Karras. Let me know if you are here, guys. The gold pulling back as we speak. Let's try to see if we get a little deeper, a pullback in gold. And see a little bounce in the NQ here. 40 more seconds for Mr. Who is this again? Mr. Eric Karras. Eric Karras. You got 28 more seconds to go. Wow, man, incredible. Eric is not here. Was it a bot? Fellow traders, we are about 4 seconds to go for Mr. Edric to let me know if he's here. Oh, look at that, guys. All right, so there we go, guys. Wow, I can't believe that, guys. We're gonna have to call the new winner here again and again. All right, final one. Let's go. Mr. Universal Vibes. Mr. Universal Vibe, is he here? I'm gonna give you 1 minute, guys. 1 minute to confirm that you are here with us. Now a little less than 1 minute, guys. Universal Vibe, you got 1 minute, little less than 1 minute to confirm that you are here on this stream. If you're not, we're gonna move on to the next. We'll wait for Mr. Universal Vibe to confirm that he is here, and we'll go for. Oh my God, Mr. Universal Vibe is here, guys. He is the winner and the biggest champion here in the house, guys. Incredible. He is the winner. We found a winner, guys. Congrats, Mr. Universal. We have a winner, guys. Unfortunately, that's it. He was here, he is here, and he will be here taking Universal Vibe, taking Apex account giveaway here. Everybody, congrats to Mr. Universal Vibe for winning the account. I'm gonna have to have you DM me once the streaming is over, right? And then we go from there. I'll take care of your price. Congrats once again, man. What a big battle there. What a big battle. All right, my fellow traders. I don't think you can trade. Yeah, that's right. Guys, once again, Apex 90% off, Billanox 91% off, Take Profit Trader 40% off, and you got Lucid Flex account, that 50K account with $78. That's 40% off as well. They're still ongoing. And Legend also I think they took it off. All right, I think that's it. So we get a little bounce in the gold, trying to find some footing here and getting a little rejection off that NQ at the 893 area, getting a little pullback off that level now. Pretty interesting, guys. You want to join the Discord? It says invalid. Can somebody share my Discord link if you don't mind? I just don't have the ability to do that right here, right now. Very limited access to my browsers. I did share the Discord link. If somebody can share my Discord link, that would be really appreciated, guys. Anybody? For our fellow traders trying to join the crew. That was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun, guys. I mean, yeah, we are. Let's see. We get a little pullback here, so we're gonna have to kind of wait and see. All right, fellow traders. I think it's that time of the day for StockTiger. I've got to go. Unfortunately, it's gonna be a little bit of a shorter stream for me in the next couple weeks. My apologies. Thank you guys for your understanding. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. We'll be back in the Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, all of you have a great rest of the night. If I don't get a chance to see you guys or say Happy New Year, here it is. Happy New Year, everybody. I hope to see you guys back again tomorrow at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Until then, everybody, have a great rest of the night. Thank you so much for hopping in. Don't forget to smack the like, guys, before you hop out as well. Have a great morning session. Be careful, guys, man. It's gonna be a rough morning, I think, just based on what I see on the silver and the gold. Looking pretty rough here, so be careful in your trading. Let's not try to be a hero. Everybody, thank you so much once again. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Until then, God bless everybody, you and your family. Take care of yourself, guys. Love you guys. Thank you for being here as always. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, 5:30 p.m. Peace. Bye-bye, everybody. Peace.
You